In this video, I want to show you how you can install and enable SSH on your Ubuntu computer. In Ubuntu, you need to open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T on your keyboard or by pressing here and then choosing terminal. First, we need to make sure that Ubuntu is updated. So I'm gonna key in sudo apt update and put your password for the user that you are logged in with and press enter. Depending on the last time you updated your workstation, it may take some time. So here it finished fast. Let's now clear the screen, and to install SSH, we need to install OpenSSH. So key in the following command, sudo apt space install OpenSSH -server and hit enter. Here you need to press Y and then enter. And you see it is installing OpenSSH. And here the installation finished. Let's check if OpenSSH now is enabled. So let me clear the screen and then type in the following command, sudo system ctl status SSH. And you see it is active and running. Press Ctrl-C to exit. After we made sure that SSH is running, we need to make sure that the port on which SSH listens, which is port 22, is opened in the firewall. So let me clear the screen again and key in the following command, sudo ufw allow SSH and press enter. And here the firewall will allow SSH. So let's test it now. I will open a command prompt in my Windows workstation and I'm gonna SSH to this Ubuntu workstation. So let me open the command prompt. Here's the command prompt. First, we need to get the IP address of the Ubuntu machine. So let me get it by typing IP space A, press enter. And this is the IP address of the machine, 192.168.74.133. So let me go back to my command prompt now and key in SSH. The user is KST at 192.168.74.133 and press enter. So type yes, press enter and put the password for your user. And here we are in SSH in Windows connected to our Ubuntu workstation. So that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.